A very good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. Today we'll be starting with the revision of chapter number 4, operation of large numbers. Today I'll be doing the questions from this chapter. So let us do the first question, that is, how much is 6 crore more than 5,78,000? So you have to find how much is more 6 crore. So what is 6 crore? How many zeros are there in 6 crore? 7. It is 6 crore. So how much is 6 crore more than 5,78,000? So 5,78,000. You have to find out how much is 6 crore more than 5,78,000. So you will be subtracting this 2. So you will be starting from here. It will be 0. 0 minus 8, it cannot be subtracted, so it will carry from here. So this number will become 9. This also become 9. This also become 9. So here it becomes 10, 8, 9, 10, 7, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 5, 4, 9, and it will become 5. So our answer will be 5 crore 94 lakh 22,000. Now let us do the next question. What must be added? What is given in the question? What must be added? What must be added to? Let us take a number. What must be added to 79,62,360 to make it equal to 80 lakh. So what is given in the question? What must be added? This is the number, that is 79,62,360. What must be added to this number so that you will be getting this number? So again what you have to do? You will be subtracting this 80 lakh with 79,62,360. You will be subtracting this. Okay, the subtraction we have discussed in this chapter. 0 cannot be subtracted from 6, so it will become here 10, and this will become 9, 9, 9, 9. Here it will become 7. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 9, 0, and 7 minus 7 is also 0. So if we add 37,640, you will be getting to this number, you will be getting 80 lakh. So whenever in the question it is given what must be added to this number to get this number, so you will be subtracting it. Now the next question. You have to write a number which is 5,000 more than, you have to write a number which is 5,000 more than 34 lakh 75,639. You have to write a number which is 5,000 more than 34 lakh 75,639. So what you will be doing? You will be adding this 2. Why you will be adding? Because here more is written. So you will be adding this 2 number and you will be getting your answer. What you will be doing? You will be adding this 2 number and then you will be writing this 5,000 plus. You will be adding this number 9 plus 0, 9, 3 plus 0, 3, 6 plus 0, 6, 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1 moves to the carry, 7 plus 1, 8, 4 and 3. This is our final answer. Let us take one more example. Which write a number, you have to again write a number which is 7,000 less than. See here I am writing less than. In the previous question I have written more than. You have to write a number which is less than. I am writing the number here. You have to write a number which is less than 25 lakh 8,913. So here less is written. So what you will be doing? You will be subtracting 25 lakh 8,918 with 7,000. You will be subtracting this. So what you will be getting? 8 minus 0, 8, 1 minus 0, 1, 9 minus 0, 9, 8 minus 7, 1, here 0, 5 and 2. Whenever in the question less than is given, you will be subtracting it. And if in the question here more is written, then you will be doing addition. Now let us do another questions. Find out the product. In product, what will be doing? We will be multiplying it. So you have to find the product. Find, what we have to find? We have to find product. So I am writing the number 549 into 1000. You have to find the product. Means you have to multiply this number. So you will be writing this number as it is, and how many zeros are there? 3. So 5, 4, 9 and 3 zeros you will be adding. Suppose if the number is like this multiplication you can do easily. Let us take another example. If the number it is 230 into 10,000, then you will be writing this number as it is, and how many zeros you will be putting? 4 zeros. So you will be writing it as 230. I have written the number as it is, and then 4 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be your final answer. Let us take some more examples. If it is 695 into 30, then how you will be doing it? We can also write it as 695 in order to simplify our calculation. 30, we can also write 30 as 3 into 10. Yes, why? Because 3 into 10 is also equal to 30. So 695 multiplied by 3 into 10. You have to multiply 3 with 695. So if you multiply 3 with 695, you will be getting 2085. into 10. So this will be your final answer. Now let us do some more questions. The next question will be doing about the division. In the question it is given what must 789 be multiplied by to give here I have written a number. So what is written here? What must 789 be multiplied by to give? Here a number is written. So in order to find the number we have to divide. We have to find the number. So what we have to do? We have to divide this number with 789. So we'll be dividing it. We'll be writing this number in this bracket 7897890. We'll be dividing it with the 789. So 789 ones are 789. Again here 0 will come. So this number will come down. Again this 8 will come down. Now this 78, it is also smaller than 789. So we'll be putting 9 also here. So here 20 will come. Why? Because we have put 2 number extra here. So 2 zeros here. Then 789 ones are 789. What is left here? 1 0 is left. So this 0 will move down and it will come here. So this will be your final answer. Now the next is choose the best estimate from the possible answers. What is estimate? In estimate we used to do the rounding off. Rounding off we have done in the previous chapter. Round off to the nearest 10, round off to the nearest 1000, lakh. Yes, we have done it. So you have to choose the estimate. You have to choose the best estimate. What is estimate? It is rounding off only, that we have done in the previous chapter. Estimate means you have to do the rounding off only. So you have to choose the best estimate from the possible answers given. I am writing the first question here, that is 62 into 88. You have to choose the best estimates. So I am writing here 3 options. In this, one will be the correct answer. One is 5000. The another number is, and the last number is 6000. So these are the 3 options. You have to choose the best estimate. You have to not multiply it as it is. 62 into 88. You have to not multiply it as it is. You have to choose the best estimate. So how we will be doing it? The 62, you have to round off 62. So if you round off 62, it will be 60. Yes. And if you round off 88, what you will be getting if you round off 88? You will be getting 90. Yes. So 6 nines are 54. 6 nines is 54. 1 0 of this and 1 0 of this it comes. So the answer is this. So this is the best possible estimate of our answer.